चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुदिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्णसंकीर्तनम् नाम्नामकारि बहुधां निज सर्वशक्तिस्तत्रार्पिता नियमितं स्मरणेन कालः ये तदृशी तव कृप भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमित्रिशमिह जनिनानुरागः. You are here in this holy name, Bhagavan, with all your energies, with all your karuna, sitting right here. Very kindly, please give Anuraga for you. Harirnama, Harirnama, Harirnama eva kevalam. Kalauna astiyevana, astiyevana, astiyeva gatiranyadam. There is no other way, no other way, no other way in this Kali Yuga. Any day of Kali Yuga, any moment of Kali Yuga, there is no way to get out of this Kali effect inside out unless we get soaked in Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Rinadapi sunichena tarore vasahishnunam. Amanina manadena kirtaniya sada harim. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam vajakadisha kamayim. Mama janmani janmani shware bhavatat bhaktiya haitukitvayi. There is only one thing to do in Kali Yuga. There is only one thing to do at every moment in Kali Yuga. To save ourselves from the onslaught of Kali entering into our internal system. To save ourselves from this onslaught of Kali that is affecting our original blissful software. To save from that, one way, there is only one thing that can save us. Harir Nama, Eva Kevalam. Getting soaked so much in Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Get soaked in Hare Krishna Mahamantra so much that all the dirt goes away. All the divine qualities come and we get addicted to just being soaked in the mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhavatad bhaktiya haitukitvayi. Ayinanda tanuja kinkaram patitamam vishame bhavam budhavam. Kripaya tava pada pankajastita dhuli satrisham vichintaya. Nayanam galada shrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya giram. Pulakair nichitair upukadam tava nama grihane bhavishyati. Japa is not a ritual. This is the only rescue we have in Kali Yuga. Yogayitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe namim aslishya vapadaratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam yada tatha vidadhatavam pato mat prananadhastu Sayevana Paraha. Get soaked in Hare Krishna Mahamantra so much so that he is Prananada, so much so that we realize that he is our Prananada. Cannot stay away from Prananada. How long can we stay away from the life air? How long can we live staying away from the life air? Prananada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dhara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadhana Malele Aye Prematana. Of all dangas of Bhakti, Nama Sankirtana is the best. It is this Niraparadhanama that gives us Prematana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान